Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Sheets to Landbot in 2026. If you want to automatically save chatbot responses and lead information into a spreadsheet, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Landbot account. Next, open the chatbot you want to connect to Google Sheets from your dashboard. Now go to the chatbot builder and locate the point in the conversation where you want to save user information. Next, add an integration or automation block and choose Google Sheets from the list of available integrations. Now sign in to your Google account and grant Landbot permission to access your Google Sheets. Next, select the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want your chatbot data to be stored. Now map each chatbot field, such as name, email address, phone number, or message, to the appropriate columns in your spreadsheet. Next, save the integration settings and connect the Google Sheets block to your conversation flow. Now preview the chatbot and submit sample information to verify that the data is added correctly to your spreadsheet. Finally, publish your chatbot so new user responses are automatically saved to Google Sheets. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Google Sheets to Landbot. Your chatbot can now organize and store lead data automatically. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.